Hey, what is going on, guys? So here, this is going to be a review about the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 3-day challenge. So who is Jonathan Montoya? He is an electrical engineer that hated his job, so he started an affiliate marketing business which allowed him to achieve financial and time freedom. But how did he start? So he started his business on YouTube on May 15, 2019. Then he started to gain the skills on how to rank on YouTube and also how to grow all his social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram, which gave him more followers. And in 9 months, he quit his electrical engineer job to go all in with affiliate marketing. And now he teaches the exact formula on how he quit his 9-to-5 in just 9 months. In addition, in his 3-day business challenge course, the goal for you is to have a crystal clear understanding of how you can build a profitable business online. Jonathan is going to give you actionable steps every day to implement. For example, how to set your business up for the long-term success. He is going to teach you how to create multiple passive income streams. On the first day challenge, he is going to teach you 3 steps. First, how to find your main core offer for your affiliate marketing business. Second, how to build your affiliate system the right way. And third, how to get traffic and customers to your affiliate marketing business. And the most important thing, guys, is going to be how to build and grow your email list. On the second day challenge, Jonathan will teach you how to set up your funnel using ClickFunnels and GetResponse. Also, he'll teach you how to set up an automation workflow. And on the third day challenge, he'll teach you how to get the traffic, and he's going to show you how to use YouTube, TikTok, and also he has a 15-minute TikTok strategy for massive traffic and how to rank on YouTube, which is powerful as well. Furthermore, he's going to explain you how to run YouTube ads. So I hope this information will guide you to make a choice if this program is what you need to go to the next level, guys. And so that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.